Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to convert a Google Docs into PDF. So let's begin the video. Open your document in Google Docs. Now from the top menu, click on File. I drop down will appear. From here, go to Download and select PDF document from the list. From here, you can choose which tab you want to download. Then click on Export. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.